Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is a support ticket that I came across and I thought it was quite interesting. Is how to use a Visual Query Builder in a XAF application. So I read through the ticket and I download this Query Builder test project, and so pretty much what we have is a controller where we set up our connection with our database, and right here we are using Windows authentication, but we can use a regular username password uh, security, and then we create a custom SQL query, and then we have this awesome class SQL data source UI helper, and with that one it will bring the query builder. So let's run it, let's see it, and let's go from there. When I saw this, my first question was, why would I want to do this? Well, maybe we want some of our power users to have access to this visual representation, this tool to run some more complex query. Or maybe we just don't want to pay another Navigat license and we just give them access to this. They can actually create the query as they want, and they can save the query, they can refer to the query later on, or I don't know, any other craziness that our user come up with that we never thought about. Either way, we have this controller and pretty much it's simple. I click that one, it brings the query builder that we all know. And here we can select all columns, and we can even here, let's say we can only want select two, and we can put an alias, we can sort, and as soon as we are doing that, the query is getting built here. So we can even actually use another one. It will ask you if you want to join. So it's really nice. So the neat thing about this is like, if you see in the example, what they were trying to do is actually to save that query and then reuse it some time later in the future. So there are a lot of nice uh, methods that this class has. So it has like configure connection. So let's stop, comment this out so we can see it. It has add query, manage query. Instead of add query with the query builder, we can edit the query. So if we save it, we can actually query. So I think that I have not a complete use case in my mind right now, but I think that for some users who want that visual representation, it could be a nice tool that we can provide to them. So again, right now it says shows query builder, but right now it's just we can select from our connection strings that we have, or we can actually specify what provider, what server name, authentication, and everything else. So we have a lot of nice representation here. And again, if we have the query that we can save, as we are seeing here, we can even say something like, if the query is 0, open the query builder as a new one. If we have a couple queries saved, let's edit and we pass the query. So that's it. Not nothing too crazy, but I was testing it and playing with it, so I decided to record a quick video. Thank you and see you in the next video.